Have you ever promised yourself you'd save money and then spent it anyway? If you've done this, you're not lazy. Your brain is literally wired to work against your finances. Money decisions aren't just logical, they're emotional, automatic, and often subconscious. Your brain loves instant rewards. Spending gives you a quick dopamine hit, while saving feels invisible and slow. When you're stressed or exhausted, your brain looks for fast comfort, and money becomes emotional relief. Your brain constantly compares your life to others. Even if those lives aren't real, your spending reacts like they are. Here's the truth most people never hear. Financial success is less about math and more about behavior. Make spending harder. Remove saved cards, delete shopping apps. Small friction protects your money. Automate saving. Because discipline fails, but systems don't. Money isn't about numbers. It's about security and peace of mind for the people you love. Your brain doesn't feel subscriptions as spending. They're small, automatic, and that's why they're so dangerous. $10 doesn't feel like much until it repeats every month and every year. Subscriptions hijack your brain. No decision, no pain, just quiet money loss. Try this once a month. List every subscription you pay for. If it doesn't improve your life, cancel it. You don't need to be perfect with money. You just need to understand your brain and work with it instead of against it. Financial peace isn't about giving everything up. It's about choosing what truly matters and letting the rest go. If you want calm, simple money lessons for real life, subscribe to Emma Invest, one small choice at a time.